students, welcome to e-learning class of computer. Hope you all are safe at your home. Students, in the previous class, we have read about what is HTML and how can we create HTML documents. In today's class, we will read our next topic, that is viewing the HTML document. To view the HTML document, you need a web browser. You can use any web browser like Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome. What you have to do, you have to click on File tab and then click on Open option. When you click on Open, you will find this dialog box. From here, you will browse your file, and when you browse your file and click on open, you will see your output as a web page. My output is my first web page and hello world. In the previous class, we have created that program. Now, we will learn different components of HTML code. First is HTML. What is the use of HTML tag? It tells the browser to interpret everything between these two tags as an HTML document. It means जो भी चीज़ें हम HTML टैग के अंदर यूज कर रही हैं, वो ब्राउजर को ये बताने में हेल्प करती है कि ये सारा क्या है, एक HTML document. Students, let's see the structure of HTML. First is HTML, this is the root element. Next is head and title. Title is a part of a head element. It will always end on the upper part. Next is body. Body is the main tag of the HTML document. Whatever you want to show on your web page, we will use that tag in body tag. Next is student, container and empty elements. In HTML, we have basically two types of tag, container and empty. Container means which contains something. They have starting and ending tag. For example, HTML, it's a starting, and when we add forward slash, this is ending of a टैग. सो कंटेनर टैग वो टैग होते हैं जिनकी स्टार्टिंग टैग भी होता है और एंडिंग टैग भी होता है. लेकिन एम्प्टी टैग वो टैग होते हैं जिनकी सिर्फ बेटा स्टार्टिंग टैग होगा, एस बी आर. यहाँ पे आपको कहीं भी स्लैश बी आर नहीं यूज होगा बिकॉज इट इज एन एम्प्टी टैग. इट डजंट कंटेन एनीथिंग. These two types of tag, container and empty. HTML title, these are the example of container tag, and these are the example of empty tag. BR matlab break, HR matlab horizontal rule, and ING is used to insert an image in an HTML document. Next is HTML attributes. HTML elements can have attributes. Attributes provide additional information about the element. अगर आपको किसी टैग के बारे में एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन देनी है तो उस टैग का हम क्या यूज करेंगे, एट्रीब्यूट्स. हर टैग का अपना कुछ ना कुछ एट्रीब्यूट्स होता है जो उसके बारे में उसकी एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन हमें बताता है. दैट आर कॉल्ड एट्रीब्यूट. जैसे अगर हम बॉडी टैग यूज करते हैं तो बॉडी टैग का एक एट्रीब्यूट होता है बेटा बीजी कलर, दैट इज स्टैंड फॉर बैकग्राउंड कलर. जब हम बॉडी टैग के साथ अगर बीजी कलर यूज करेंगे तो उससे हमारे पेज का कलर व्हाइट नहीं आएगा. जो कलर हम चूज करेंगे हम वो कलर यूज कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट टैग इज हेडिंग टैग. In HTML, we can use 6 heading tag from H1 to H6. H1 is used for larger heading and H6 is used for smaller heading. These are the examples of heading tag. H1, this is heading 1 slash H1. This is the ending of heading tag. H2 tag, H3, H4, H5, H6. Now students, see the output. As you move from top to down, your font size is decreasing. So H1 is used for large font size and H6 is used for small font size. Next is BR. BR is an empty tag. It has no closing tag. It is used to insert a line break. If we want to insert a blank line, we will always use BR tag. This P tag, P is paragraph. If you want to create something in the form of paragraph on your web page, we will use P tag. Whatever we type in P tag, it will be shown in the form of a paragraph. Next is horizontal line, means HR tag. HR tag insert a blank horizontal line in your web page. Now these are the attributes, these are the syntax. First you will use HR. Size is the attribute of HR tag. I have used size 6, 3, 4 and width. Next is B and I. These are the formatting tags. B मतलब bold और I मतलब italic. जैसे आप MS Word में यूज करते हो bold, italic, underline, सेम टैग हम HTML में यूज कर सकते हैं अपने वेब पेज को सुंदर बनाने के लिए. Next है comment tag. Comment means it will not display on your web page. Comment is just for the reading information. If I want to create a comment in my notes, that will not visible at the time of display. Text formatting, bold, italic, you will use B tag. Whatever you type in B tag, it will be displayed in bold. This is I italic. Big is used for big, small and so. HTML comment I have used. This is the syntax of comments. Whatever you write in the comment, it will not display in your HTML output. Students, now this chapter is completed. What you have to do, you have to read this chapter twice and try to understand the topic we have read. Thank you students. Have a nice day.